Hello and welcome. I'm Shabaz Khan, founder and director at AK Interiors Designing Private Limited. In many years of working with businesses across India, I've come across one consistent challenge: turning ambitious ideas into reality. Whether it's a multi-location branch expansion, corporate office renovation, or a specialized retail space, the question remains: how do you ensure that everything is executed within budget, on time, and to perfection?
That's where AK Interiors comes in. We are not just execution partner, we are problem solvers. We bring design ideas to life with precision and expertise, transforming your vision into vibrant functional spaces. From concept to completion, we handle every detail ensuring seamless execution across sectors like banking, healthcare, retail, and more. It's not just what we do, it's how we do it that sets us apart. Challenges we solve. Let's face it, execution is not easy. Businesses face challenges like managing tight deadlines, sourcing quality material, and maintaining consistency across multiple locations. At AK Interiors, we tackle these challenges head on by offering multi location execution, managing simultaneous projects across India no matter the scale, in house technical expertise, a skilled team of electricians, painters, and craftsmen ensuring precision at every step, dedicated manufacturing, from modular furniture to bespoke woodworks, all crafted in our CII Green Pro certified facility. We're not just building spaces, we are solving problem that makes your execution seamless and stress-free for you.
Delivering excellence with precision. Our promise is simple: timely delivery without compromise. Guaranteed timely delivery. We don't just meet deadlines, we exceed expectations. 120-point quality assurance. Every material, installation, and finish is inspected with meticulous care. Personalized oversight. Each project is guided by a dedicated manager, ensuring every detail aligns with your vision. When you partner with AK Interiors, you partner with a team that treats every project as if it's their own. Efficiency and sustainability built in. In today's fast paced world, efficiency and sustainability are more than trends, they are necessities. At AK Interiors, we integrate these principles into every project. Project Management System PMS, real time scheduling, planning, and tracking for complete transparency. Sustainable practices, leveraging eco friendly materials and energy efficient processes to minimize environmental impact. By building smarter and greener, we are not just meeting today's standard, we are setting benchmark for the future.
Your brand, our execution. Every space that you develop is as unique as the brand it represents. Whether it's a retail chain or a corporate office, we ensure your brand identity shines through. Our process includes brand aligned execution, adhering strictly to your interior design manual, custom workstations, tailored to meet functional and aesthetic needs, inclusive and accessible designs, built for diverse teams and evolving work cultures. Your brand, your story, and we make sure every corner of your space tells it perfectly. Why partner with AK Interiors? At AK Interiors, we are more than execution partner, we are collaborators in your success. From overcoming challenges to delivering excellence, our focus is on creating spaces that inspire productivity and reflect your values. If you are looking for a partner who understands your vision, execute with precision, and deliver on time, we are here for you. Let's bring your vision to life. Contact AK Interiors today. Let's build a future, and let's build a future that as bold and unique as your brand.